Okay, so how can we make the ghost move around? Let's go to our code. Let's add another file. And this file will contain an enum for the direction. That is the direction that the ghost is currently moving. So let's call it up, down, etc. Like that. All right. Is it still compiling? It is. Okay, back to our ghost class. Now we need to add another private variable called, which is the direction. Direction that the ghost is currently moving. Let's go to the constructor and add the initial direction. We want to set the initial direction in the main file. So we set the direction here to direction, the variable added in the constructor. The type is direction. Okay. In the main file, we add that here. Direction dot right. Direction up. Direction right. Okay, let's see if it compiles still. Unexpected symbol underscore direction in ghost 16. Ghost 16. Let's see, unexpected symbol. Ah, of course. There we go. It's assigned, but never used. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so now we need to add another public function, which is move. Move will actually move the ghost in the current direction. So let's create a switch. Over direction. Case direction up. Decrease the y. Etc. Okay, compile, still working. Okay, so now in the main function, let's just add move. And the move movement, of course, needs to be done whenever the ghosts are deleted, which is here. One, two, three. Okay, so when we run the code, we will see that they move quickly and disappear out of screen. Of course, we have an argument out of range exception because it's trying to plot the ghost outside the screen. The red one going up is the one destroying it for us. Okay, so let's go back to this code again. Let's focus on one at a time here. Ghost number 2 is the one going up, so let's do this. Okay, it works. But, okay, we said right. Okay, so let's do this. X, 10, 10, 10, and then Y position 10, 15, and 20. And they will all go right. Compile and run. Okay. Now they move really quick. So we need to set and create logic for the speed. Let's add another private int, speed, or move. Let's say speed. And private int speed timer. We need to do the same thing that we did with the animation and the animation timer. Let's add speed and the speed timer. We should actually change this to animation timer now. Okay, animation timer. Okay, and let's try it out again to make sure that we didn't destroy anything. Animation timer does not exist in the current context. 46. Animation timer. Why not? Okay. Timer does not exist. 39. So I'm just changing and setting the animation timer. Ghost, speed, and speed timer never used. Okay, we know that. So let's go to the constructor and set the animation timer, or I mean the speed timer to 0, and the speed to 5. And just like we did in the plot function, where we use this, we're going to copy this part, use it in the move section. Increase the speed timer whenever it reaches the speed limit. We set it to 0. We don't need to do anything more actually. Okay, so let's see if this works. Pretty much the same. Let's increase the speed time. 50. Still the same speed. Why is that? Is 50 way too low, or is it not working? Speed timer and speed. Let's have a look again. Speed timer increased. If it has reached the speed, which is 50, we set it to 0. Okay, of course. If we have reached it, let's do it this way. If it's still less than the actual speed, we do not want to perform the movement. Let's see. Let's move this part out here. So when we actually do the movement, we set it back to 0. If it's still less than the actual speed, we just do return. Let's try again. Okay, it's working. It's way too slow. Let's go up here again. Change the speed back to, for example, 5. Compile. Test. Okay, it's moving. Good. So, in this way, we have created code to make the ghost actually move. Let's set the speed limit in the ghost constructor. So, over here, set point. And since we can set the speed, we can do different speeds. Let's do 3, no, 5, 10, 15, and then we try the code. And now we can see that the ghosts are actually moving in different speeds. Okay, so now we're pretty much done. This is how it's done. We have created a move function, and it actually works the way that we want it. And that's pretty much it. In the move function, we also need, in the next step, to add code to make sure that the ghost actually stops whenever it hits a wall or reaches an intersection, and there it can randomly change direction, or if it sees Pac-Man, actually start to chase it. That's it.